G'day, Livio. Regano with tonight's weather. As we move closer to the end of wet season, the odds of any catch-up rain are quickly diminishing. Cyclone Philly's basically ruined our chances of getting anything more than a sprinkle over the next week because it's taking all the rain south where it's not needed. Once again, our temperatures have come in well above average and that trend looks set to continue. In Townsville today, the top was 32 degrees and Charterstown's got to 37. On the satellite loop now, you can see it's been another quiet day, but as expected, it's starting to destabilise around the Darling Downs and the Carnarvon Ranges, where we've seen the first of the short, sharp showers, a few of them with a rumble of thunder. There's Cyclone Philly out there. It looks like it's going to stay well outside of our area of jurisdiction in Fijian waters for the cycle of its life until it finally fizzles out. It will have an effect in terms of swell and wind, though, for southern Queensland. Let's see that. If we look at today's chart, first up, there's the cyclone itself. You can see it's compressing the isobars to its south. The swell's only just arriving on our beaches now. The tropics are basically exempt from that effect and it's remained generally sunny. And of course, this inland trough is starting to produce those few little showers around the Carnarvons and Darling Downs. On tomorrow's chart, we have the next in a series of upper level troughs that starts to destabilise across Queensland. Increasing cloud, winds and swell increasing in the southeast as the cyclone continues to move down. On the outlook chart, it'll start getting quite wet now through eastern Queensland as the upper level trough reaches its maturity. To the latest now from the Weather Bureau. Boating for Townsville waters, east to southeast winds, a steady 15 to 20 knots tomorrow. Then on Friday it's between 10 and 20 knots, same again for Saturday. First up tomorrow morning we have low tide, followed by high tide around midday-ish and a second low tide around sunset. The tidal range is diminishing quickly. The Herbert and Lower Burdekin, a 20% chance of a shower just in the north, with Townsville reaching 32 degrees, Ayr and Ingham also 32. Northern Goldfields and Upper Flinders might be a thunderstorm in the north, but otherwise fine. 35 the top for Charterstown, 35 also for Georgetown. Looking ahead for Townsville, no significant rain predicted for the next 7 days, but if we do get a drop, it'll probably happen on the weekend. Temperatures remaining slightly on the high side of average. Ever seen clouds casting shadows on other clouds? Well, now you have. In this photo by Michael Spinazza, the sun is low enough in the sky to project the shadows upwards, imprinting the lower clouds onto the undersurface of the higher ones. Thanks, Michael, and thank you all. Catch you tomorrow. And now it's back to the team.
Yeah, wonderful, Luke. Good on you, mate. Thanks very much for your company, folks. Catch you tomorrow night.
And also a reminder, you can watch a replay of our news on the 7plus app or catch up on our page, 7news.com.au. And from all of us here, good night.
Good night.